Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neil and I'm really excited to share today's video with you. In today's video, I'm gonna solve another question related to coordinate geometry. Before we jump in, please hit that subscribe button to support my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, the question is, find the equation of the line which has gradient 1/2 and cut the y-axis at 3. Okay, for solving part A, because we have gradient and we have y-intercept, in fact, we can use this equation, y equals mx plus c. In this form, m is the gradient of the line and c is y-intercept. In fact, this is the gradient and y-intercept form. So we just need to substitute gradient 1/2 and cutting the y-axis at 3 means y-intercept plus 3, and this is the equation of the part A. For part B, we are going to write the equation of the line which is parallel to line with a slope 2 and passes through the point -1 and 4. We know that when we have two parallel lines, their gradient is equal. So the gradient of that line is 2 as well, and we have a point -1 and 4 that lies on this line. So we can see that the x coordinate is -1, so 4 is not y-intercept. So according to this formula, y minus b over x minus a equals m. We can write the equation. Here a is -1 and b is 4, and I just need to substitute a and b in this equation. So y minus 4 equals x minus -1 equals, the gradient is 2, so x minus 4 over x plus 1 is 2 over 1, and we just need to use cross multiplication. X minus 4 times 1 is 2 times x plus 1. Oops, it's y. Okay, so y minus 4 is 2x plus 2, and y is 2x plus 2, and take -4 to the right side of the equation and change the sign. So y is 2x plus 6. This is the equation of the line in part B. Okay, and now go for part C. We are going to write the equation of the line which cuts the x-intercept at 5, so x-axis at 5, so this is the x-intercept, and the y-axis at -2, so this is the y-intercept. So we know that x-intercept is 5, yes, and the y-intercept is 2. Okay, we know that x-intercept is a point when the line cuts the x-axis. So in fact, this point is 5 and 0, and y-intercept is 0 and 2. This is the point when this is the coordinate of a point when the line cut the y-intercept. Okay, so we can use these 2 points to write the gradient. So the gradient is difference of y's or y step over difference of x's or x step. So 2 minus 0 over 0 minus 5. So 2 over negative 5 is the gradient. And now we know that y-intercept is 2. So I'm going to use the gradient and y-intercept form. So m is negative 2/5 and c is positive 2. So the equation is negative 2/5 x plus 2. The equation of this line. And now we are going to part D. Okay, finding the equation of the line which cuts the x-axis at negative 1. So x-intercept is negative 1 and passes through negative 3 and 4. Okay, so for part D, the x-intercept is negative 1. In fact, this is negative 1 and 0, this point. And the second point was negative 3 and 4. So I'm going to write the formula of finding the gradient. Difference of y's, 4 minus 0. Difference of x's, negative 3 minus negative 1. 4 over negative 3 plus negative 3 plus 2, which is negative 1. So the coordinate is negative 1. But we don't have y-intercept because this is x-intercept and the x-coordinate of this point is negative 3. So 4 is not y-intercept. Okay, so I'm going to use the formula y minus b over x minus a is m. So you have two options for a and b. I'm going to grab this one. This is a and this is b. And substitute in the equation. Y minus 0 over x minus negative 1 is gradient negative 4. So y over x plus 1 is negative 4. So y equals negative 4 times x plus 1. And distributive, let's say that we should multiply negative 4 by x and by 1. So this is the final answer, the equation of the line, negative 4x minus 4. And now we are going for part E. Okay. Writing an equation of a line which is perpendicular to a line with gradient 3/4 and cuts the x-axis at 5. So 5 is x-intercept. And you know that when we have two lines that are perpendicular, so the gradient of one of them is negative reciprocal of the second one. So we just need to find the negative reciprocal of gradient 3/4. So for part E, the gradient is negative reciprocal of 3/4, which is negative 4, 3. And the x-intercept was 5. In fact, this is a point with coordinates 5 and 0. Okay, so according to this formula, y minus b over x minus a and b. So we have equals m, y minus 0 over x minus 5 equals negative 4 third, and cross multiplication 3y equals negative 4 times x minus 5 using distributive law. So 3y plus 4x equals 20. This is the general form of the equation. Last but not least, we are going to find the equation of the line which is perpendicular to line with gradient -2 and passes through -2 and 3. So because we are talking about perpendicular lines, we should find the negative reciprocal of -2. Okay. So for part F, the gradient of line is negative reciprocal of -2, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so 1/2 is the gradient. And the point was -2 and 3, which lies on this line. Okay, so y minus b over x minus a is 1/2. This is a and this is b. Y minus 3 over x minus -2 is 1/2. So y minus 3 over x plus 2 equals 1/2. 2 times y minus 3 is 1 times x plus 2. So 2y minus 6 and 2y. Take x to the left side and take -6 to the right side and change their sign. So 2y minus x is 8. And this is the general form of this equation. So we covered different types of writing the equation of the line using all formulas that you need. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.